Installation tutorial of split lock. Split lock fittings. Fix the mortise and guide vane with screws. The height of the latch can't exceed the bezel. Keep the mortise and latch in right position. Fix guide vane with screws. This screw can be adjusted according to the size of the door seam. Install the connecting screw pipe. Wire through the square and adjust it according to handle orientation. The square shaft should be inserted to the bottom. Rotate square bottle with clockwise, if right handle. Rotate square bottle with anti-clockwise, if left handle. The square must rotate to the bottom. Install handle. Wire goes through the handle and fix it with screws. The screwdriver goes through the hole in the handle and fix it. Insert the wire into the battery box and put the battery box into the back handle. Insert the wire into handle, but don't touch the power plug. Install the back cover and fix it. Install the connecting screw pipe. Install front and back panel, but don't tighten them. Install cylinder and fix it. Fix the screws at last.